Hello everyone, welcome to Spanish from Zero. In today's video, I'm going to tell you about some applications or sites that I'm using in my language learning journey. And I hope that they can be useful for you. And I guess I'm going to have a part 2 for this because right now I only have 5 that I'm going to talk about them. And this video is not sponsored. I'm just telling you about the applications that I used and they were beneficial for me. So let's start with the site. Readlink. Okay, I need to show you here. For example, you go to readlink.com. This is the library. You choose like what do you want? Do you want like A1 level, A2 to A2 to B1 to B2? And of course, you have to choose the language. Like, for example, I know English, for example, and I'm learning Spanish. Let's see, you'll have a lot of things. So, for example, you'll choose whatever. Oh, you will see here the words, the number of words of this. Let me open this. Okay, this is a free site. If you're going to translate word to word, librería, bookshop. Then let's see another word. Entonces, so, siempre, forever, always. The meaning is always too. Además, furthermore. But if you want to translate like a sentence, okay, let's see. No sé qué libro escoger. Together. Wait. Limit of 6 words per phrase. This is the free one. So, no sé qué libro escoger. Those are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here. Together, see? I don't know which book to choose. Up to 6 words in a sentence. And you have, as far as I remember, 6 or 10 sentences per day. So let's try here. I want another sentence. For example, here, ella sabe mucho sobre libros. Además, together, all of it. Also, she knows a lot about books. So it's like that. If you want the premium membership, you will have up to 12 words, a sentence, up to 12 words. And as far as I remember, it's like unlimited per day. But the words, 1 word, it's unlimited. This is it. And be careful, whenever you do 2 together, if I did un now next to it, they will count this as a sentence. So be careful, you need to remove this and be like, un. Remove it, escribo. Okay, I love this one. And then you can go here. You have, okay, again, see here, Spanish to English, for example, escribo. They will tell you about escribo. It's the verb, el verbo escribir. Escribo is the first person, I. They will show you here all what you need. I love this site. So, I heard a tip from a girl that she's going like this. Let me minimize. Okay. She's like 1. Okay, you can do this. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1 per day. She's like that. And I tried this, but not here in the beginning, like intro, phrases, travel. You need to be like 4, 3, 3, 2, 2, like that. Then the more that you go down, okay, you'll be like 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Like each day you can just be like, I want to talk or I want to study about 3 topics. So you'll choose 1, 2, 3, and then you'll review from the old ones, 1 to 3. Like this, it will be really good. Let me open one. For example, present tense. They will give you a short explanation. For example, hablar, comer, vivir. Remember, we took this. It's AR, the first group, ER, second, ER, the third. So here is the first group. It's just reviewing. You go down, the second, the endings, and the third one. Then you go and continue. Oh, that's by accident. Okay, 2, com, blah, 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 pan, comes. Check. 2 should be hablas, inglés y español. Señora, usted, remember, usted, the third one, trabaja mucho. To work, they work, trabajar, ellos. What should it be? Ellos trabajan. It's nice. Sometimes you have to type it, sometimes you have to choose like the whole word, sometimes just the endings. Here, yo como, él come, ustedes, it should be comen. And it's nice because you're going to choose how much XP you want per day. If you want to study like 5 minutes up to 25 minutes or 30 minutes, as far as I remember. Here it's Juan usa el teléfono. And like that. So let's move to the third site that I like. Okay, this one. Sorry, this one. Language transfer. This is an amazing site. Here you have the free courses. The teacher here is teaching you a language with life experience. So he's having this student and he's explaining for that student about this language, for example, about Spanish. And he's like helping him to think and to conjugate and to memorize the words and build the sentence. Okay. And he has an application for this. And it's for free. Now, the next site, it's going to be Spanish Dict. Here, you'll go to vocabulary, press here, and you'll go down. Like there is beginner, days of the week. This is a book, Aula Uno. You can go down and find some books if you went really down. And for example, you can choose a book and go down. You'll choose, let's choose like the first unit. They will tell you that you have 20 words there and you can do it like a quiz. Okay. So what's goodbye? You can write it, type it here. Goodbye. It's adios. I need those. Adios. See you soon. Hasta pronto. How is it going? ¿Qué tal? See you later. Hasta luego. Good afternoon. Buenas tardes. How is it going? Now, because I'm pressing the enter for it. And it's not only that. Like here, you can learn about these. They are explaining a lot of things in this book. And you have many books. A lot of books. This will help you a lot in your journey in Spanish, learning Spanish. And if you want to go to another section other than vocabs, you have grammar, conjugation. You'll just like study conjugation, just grammar. You have popular topics. For example, present continuous. What else? Sometimes you have ser and estar, por y para. Here. So here you'll go to the grammar section. They will ask you to put your grammar topic here. You have a lot of topics. For example, there's ser and estar, the difference between them, esta and esta. This is the verb estar, and this is esta, this. The difference between saber and conocer, there is a difference, but in English it's the verb to know. Por y para, I'm going to choose saber and conocer, for example. Saber is to know and conocer in English is to know, but they are different in Spanish. So you see the explanation here. In Spanish, there are two verbs that can express the idea of knowing saber and conocer. It's important to know the differences between the two because they are not interchangeable. Let's learn the meaning of these two very important verbs. You'll learn about them, the conjugation, and some examples, and then you can test yourself. Go down, down, down. You can test yourself. And by the way, I guess you guys noticed that here, for example, it's the idea. I have la idea, el significado. It's because of this here. Tucan. I added this here and I choose the language that I want, what I speak, what I want to learn. Okay. And this language is going to change some words in my page, okay, to the language that I'm learning, for example. So yeah, Fair and Readlink, there's Reverso. We need a dictionary, right? Now, this application, you can have it on your phone and here, like as a site. You will choose, for example, let's choose Spanish. I want it from Spanish to English. For example, let's go with saber. Translate. The translation of saber is to know. Find a lot of examples. And they will give you the meaning of this word in each context. So it's really useful. I love this dictionary and they have a lot of language. You can check them. They have Arabic, Chinese, Dutch, English, French, German, Hebrew, Italian, Japanese, Polish, Portuguese, Romanian, Russian, Spanish, Turkish. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. And please don't forget to like the video and to share it with your friends and your family and subscribe to my channel. See you soon. Bye.